how to make time bigger on the lock screen of iPhone iOS 26. So first, press on the side button to go back to your lock screen. Then on the lock screen, touch and hold. Now touch and hold on a blank spot. Make sure you verify yourself with Face ID. Once you're in edit mode, tap on customize. Then down here, tap on the clock. And make sure you select the appropriate font. You can see here, if I select any other font in the list here, there is no handle. But if I select the first one, there is a handle here. This handle allows me to readjust the size of the clock. So here, if you select the first option in the font style, then go back here and you should see a handle. You can drag on this handle to make the clock bigger or smaller. And then tap on done. And then tap anywhere to close. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.